Okay, we're going to look at two different drawing apps that you can use to create illustrations from. Now, I might go into here. The two that I kind of like are Artset and Artset Pro and ArtRage. We're going to look at Artset Pro. Now, you may have seen Artset, the regular one. Honestly, it's good. It's great for basics, but it doesn't have a lot. Now, this one right here, what you can do is you can actually take an image that you may have downloaded and you can color straight on them. It's pretty neat. So if you want to digitally maybe enhance a photo, a black and white photo, you could. Or you can color straight over it. Or you can kind of go from here where you start off with a blank slate and you kind of go from there. Now, let's see, where we got? All right, so on the bottom, as you can see my phone, hello. Okay, I'm going to start off by clicking the plus. Now, up comes a whole bunch of different kind of papers that you can use, and it's up to you what you want to choose, and honestly, it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to go with, I think, just a plain white. Ooh, that's fancy. Let's go there. All right, nice. Now, what you're going to notice are a whole bunch of different little buttons on the bottom. Now, the first one is where we have this. When we click, a little drawer comes open, and you have a whole bunch of different tools. This is more like a toolbox, okay? Now, each one has its own unique quality about it, all right? Some are lighter, some are darker. So, for example, let's go with marker, okay? You can take it and you can color it. Once you start coloring, this little undo button comes, so yeah, that definitely helps sometimes when you need to undo something, okay? But yeah, so you have all different things that you can. Beautiful. All right, some are a little bit different, okay? So let's say the paint. If you notice when the paintbrush comes up. Now when we have paint, it kind of looks like that, and you're like, oh, well that's different. When you pull open this tray, all right, you have different brushes you can use, okay? Also, which is really neat, whoops, you can take this and you can make the opacity, isn't that cool? A little bit different. You can have it come down, come up, amount of paint that you have, okay? You can change it to manual and to automatic. What that basically means is the A and the M means if it's going to automatically, you notice right here, see how the paint's coming off? It's almost like in real time. Personally, let's see. I want to get this a little darker. There we go. Okay. It means that it's going to fade out. All right. Kind of like a real paintbrush. But if I want to, I can take this and put automatic, and it kind of stays the same all the way through. So it kind of depends if you like it to be automatic filter or not. So, as I said, a whole bunch of them. Now, down here are a whole bunch of different things. We have the eraser. Yay, eraser. All right, so what are all these things? The sponge, paper towel. This is paint thinner. Okay, kind of looks very strange, but some good blending like tools are sponge, the blending stump. You have the sandpaper. So what does this look like in real life? Okay, so you can definitely zoom in. So I'm gonna zoom in, and notice how all of a sudden I'm making that blend. This is great and very easy for if you're trying to make something look like it's nice blended in. All right, let's blend this in. You can definitely put colors next to it and blend things in. All right? Okay, beautiful. Now, that's all said and done. Oh, this is definitely an awesome thing. You zoom in, really, you can get all the way around the edge. Now, colors and stuff like that. This is your color tray, all right? When you first tap on it, the bottom tray, okay, is a whole bunch of different colors. Whoa, that goes fast. Next one you pull out. These are pre-mixed